Hello children, Sai Ram and welcome back to our English period. Children, today we are going to learn adjectives revision. We have already covered this topic in our previous videos and we have already covered degrees of comparison, articles, kinds of sentences, nouns, punctuations and adjectives and its kinds. So today we are going to revise the chapter adjectives. Ready children? Very good. Now here you have to observe this picture children. Yes. Come on, observe the picture and tell me about it. Very good. This is a picture of a boy, isn't it? So we can give any name to that boy. Tom is a boy or any particular name whichever you want to give. Tom is a boy. So children, after seeing the picture, we wrote about it. Tom is a boy. So with the help of this sentence and the picture, we are able to understand that Tom is a boy or not. But when I say Tom is a good boy, Tom is a good boy. Here we are able to understand that what kind of a boy Tom is, isn't it? Tom is a boy, it's okay. But when we say Tom is a good boy, with the word good, we are able to understand that what kind of a boy Tom is. It means what? The word good is describing the word boy. And boy is a noun. So, good is what in this sentence? Good is an adjective because it is describing the word boy. It is describing a noun in the sentence. So, let's see that what is an adjective. Be attentive, give attention carefully and listen to me carefully. Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns. An adjective adds meaning to a noun or a pronoun. Just now with the example of our first picture, we revised that just saying that Tom is a boy, we don't understand about Tom, but when we say Tom is a good boy, we understood what kind of a boy Tom is. It means the word good describe the word noun in the sentence. So, we understood adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Now, come on, quickly tell me what are nouns. Fast, who can tell me first? Nouns are naming words. Names given to person, place, animal, things or birds. They are nouns. And the pronouns are the words used at the place of noun, isn't it? So, the words which describe noun or pronouns are adjectives. In short, you have to remember that how we learned names and nouns are naming words. Same way, you can remember adjectives are describing words. Now, let's move ahead, children, and let's learn the different kinds of adjectives. Okay. Actually, there are several types of adjectives. But we have studied main 6 types of adjectives. Now, which are they? Let's see. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and number, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective and distributive adjective. These are the 6 main types of adjectives we have studied in our previous period of grammar. Now, first we are going to revise adjective of quality. Observe the picture. The cat is black. The cat is black. Now this is the picture of a girl. So Sita is an intelligent girl. Sita is an intelligent girl. Or you may say that Sita is a cute girl. Isn't it? To describe this girl, you can use cute also. Or we can use beautiful. Sita is a beautiful girl. So the words black, intelligent, cute, beautiful, these all words are describing the nouns in that particular sentence. So these are all adjectives of quality because they are qualifying the nouns in the sentence. In the first sentence, cat, and in the second sentence, girl. So we can say, children, words that describe quality of a noun or a pronoun are called as adjectives of quality. I repeat, words that describe quality of a noun or a pronoun are called as adjectives of quality. And generally, adjective of qualities answer the question of what kind in the sentence. Okay, what kind of a cat in the picture? The cat is black. What kind of a girl is this? Sita. Sita is an intelligent girl. Sita is a cute girl, or Sita is a beautiful girl. So these all words are qualifying the nouns in the particular sentences. So they are called as the adjectives of quality. Let's move ahead. Next we are going to study adjectives of quantity and number. See this picture. Sheila ate the whole cake. Sheila ate the whole cake. I spent all money. Montu brought some rice. Now children, give attention to the words which are written in red color. In the first sentence we have seen whole. Sheila ate the whole cake. Whole, then all, and then some. So here the words which are written in red are adjectives and they tell us about how much of a thing is meant. So they are called as adjectives of quantity or number. Now here in this picture you can see there are pencils on the table. Can we count these pencils? Come on quickly fast. Who will tell me how many pencils are there on the table? Correct. There are 9 pencils on the table. So children, the adjectives of quantity and number, they answer the questions how many and how much. Now how to find out adjective of number? Adjectives of number answer the question how many. Definite number is mentioned in the sentence, that is adjective of number. And adjective of quantity answer the question how much. So this way we understood different types of adjectives of number and quantity. Every man must do his duty. Every man must do his duty. Either team can win the match. Either team can win the match. The words used to show the persons or things taken singly or separately are called as distributive adjective. These words are called as distributive adjective. Each, every, either, or neither. These type of words, they show the persons or things taken singly or separately. So they are called as distributive adjectives. Now let's learn more about demonstrative adjectives. This boy is my classmate. This boy is my classmate. That boy is my student. That boy is my student. So this, that, these, those, this type of words, they point out which persons or things are meant. So they are called as demonstrative adjectives. They are called as demonstrative adjectives because they demonstrate. Demonstrate means pointing out. So they point out which person we are talking about. They are demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those. Now see, this is a picture of a book. Whose book is this? What time is it? So in both the sentences, you must have observed, children, whose, what, these words are in red color. Why? Because they are asking the questions. And so they are known as interrogative adjectives. Why? Because they are asking questions. So we can say the words which are used with nouns to ask questions are called as interrogative adjective. What time is it? So the word what is used with the noun. And whose book is this? The word whose is used with the noun, book. So they are called as interrogative adjectives. Here, this is my house. This is my house. And this is the picture of our Mother Earth. This is our Mother Earth. So in both the examples, my, our, these words are showing possessions, isn't it? They answer the question whose. So such type of adjectives are known as possessive adjective. The words which answer the questions whose are known as possessive adjectives. Now let's do some activity. Fine. Now the question is, children, underline the adjective and state its kinds. You have to underline the adjective from the sentence given and then you have to state its kind. What type of adjective it is. The first sentence is, the dog was wagging its tail. The dog was wagging its tail. Which is the adjective in this sentence? Very good. It is the adjective in the sentence. But now the second sub question is, you have to tell its kind also. So what kind of adjective it is? It's showing the possession. So it's a possessive adjective. It's a sunny day. It is a sunny day. Which is the adjective? Describing word. Which word is describing a noun in this sentence? Very good. The word sunny is describing the noun day in the sentence. It is a sunny day. So what is the kind of this adjective? Very good. It is adjective of quality. It's qualifying the noun day in the sentence. It is adjective of quality. Let's move ahead and see the next question. This boy is stronger than Ram. This boy is stronger than Ram. Now in this sentence, which is the adjective, children? Very easy to understand. Yes, the word this is the adjective. And what is its kind? What type of adjective it is? Very good. This is demonstrative adjective. Fourth question. Each student was fined rupees 100. Each student was fined rupees 100. And the adjective in this sentence is each. And the kind of adjective is distributive adjective. Fifth one, I don't have much work to do. I don't have much work to do. And the adjective in this sentence is much. And kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. Sixth question. What building is that? Very easy. What building is that? And the adjective is what? And the kind of adjective is interrogative adjective, as it is asking a question. We have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. So which is the adjective in this sentence? Very simple, it's number 10. And the type of adjective is adjective of number, isn't it? Because it's asking, answering the question, how many? How many fingers do we have? We have 10 fingers, so adjective of number. So children, let's stop here. In the next period, we are going to revise informal letter writing. I am sure by now you are updating your all notebooks and active English and grammar textbooks also. So let's stop. Sai Ram.